Hi everyone, in today's lesson we will be looking at how to do well on the academic reading test. As the reading tests are different for the academic and general training versions of the IELTS exam, we are going to cover them in separate videos. This lesson is only for those who are doing the academic version of the IELTS exam. If you are doing the general training version of the IELTS exam, please look at the IELTS General Training Reading Test video. Okay, let's get started. The academic reading test is 60 minutes long. It is normally the second part of the IELTS exam after the listening test. There are 3 sections with 40 questions in total, and each question is worth 1 mark. So the reading test is worth 40 marks in total. It is important to remember that you do not get extra time at the end of the test to fill in the answer sheet. You have to fill in the answer sheet during the 60 minutes of the test. Unlike the listening test, you do not get extra time at the end of this test. You should spend no more than 20 minutes on each section. So there's 3 sections, so 20 minutes on each is 60 minutes in total. The texts that will come up in the reading test are all taken from books, newspapers, journals and magazines. All the topics are of general interest and are relevant to students entering university. Section 1 is the easiest section and section 3 is the hardest. So you should spend the most time on section 3 as it is the most difficult section. Each section has 1 passage, so there are 3 passages in total on the reading test. In section 1 you have 13 questions to answer. In section 2 you have again 13 questions to answer. And in section 3 you have 14 questions to answer. For some students, the reading test can be quite overwhelming, as it can be quite difficult to read the 3 passages in full and answer all 40 questions in the 60-minute period. My top tip for the reading test is to only read the title of the passage so that you know what the text is about, and then go and read the questions. Underline keywords in the questions and then scan the text for the answer. Take each question one at a time, but spend no longer than 15 minutes on each section to ensure you answer all sections. You should try really hard not to leave any blank answers, as the examiner cannot give you marks if you write nothing. The types of questions you may be asked to answer are multiple choice questions, short answer questions, sentence completion, whereby you simply complete the sentence, write about a writer's views or claims, fill in or label diagrams, match a heading with the correct paragraph, or match phrases. Remember that the reading test is only 60 minutes, so for that 60-minute period, concentrate really hard on what you are doing, as you do not have time to waste. In the next lesson, we will go through in depth an actual IELTS academic reading test question. See you soon.